Hello guys, it's me here, Jeff. What's up? Before I get started, like always, hit that notification, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, all that good stuff. It helps out. You wouldn't believe how much, and it's free for you to do. You're watching this video, something brought you here, so click the subscribe. If you've already subscribed, click the thumbs up or the notify. It's just a click away. You click all day. So yeah, just a little update, Cupcake. Been working on this old Deckioli with all reused old lumber. There's not much left of it now. This was all old wood on a patio before that I dismantled, pounded the nails out of, blah 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 blah. Anyways, look, she's done. Well, blah. It's got to be pressure washed and stained and all that, but I want to put some type of lip there to put some little cool LED lights and stuff like that. And sometimes, well, usually it's really hot out here, but sometimes the wind blows right through, so just making this little thing here today just to, I don't know, I wasn't going out, but I decided to. It doesn't even look too bad, actually. So that's pretty good. Make a big difference. Might keep some things from blowing or falling off the deck when we're out here playing with Willow and so on. Oh, excuse me. But it does work a little, but the hose should be smaller. It is what it is. It's better than nothing. I've got her up to like 25, so it's not bad, not bad, not bad. Yeah, right? Can't wait to get it completely finished and pressure washed and get a nice little lounger up here and stuff like that. But who knows when it'll be completely finished, because I was only going to have a little walkway to there, and then Carrie Ann said, well, we should do this. So I found more wood and did that, and I actually love that. It kind of looks like a boat or something. I like it. It makes that little area look cool. Yeah, that's right. So anyways, I'm gonna get to work. Been a while, so that's what's up. Thought I'd just make a little video, say hello. Hey.